Blizzard Grief, what's this? Oh no, Crazed dice again? Wait, hold on, what level is he? He's level like 50 or something on his second character. No way Crazed dice again. No way he dice again. Nice. Oh my gosh, another DC. What? 2 in a row. Oh, he gets back in again. Oh my gosh, what the hell? A third disconnect. It's gotta be an add-on. It's gotta be an add-on. 100% that's an add-on. Oh my, how are you alive? No. He's gonna die. He has a target dummy, but if he comes out of bear, it's also sus. Nice, I like this. I like that he's just running in bear. Really well played. Oh, wait. Okay. The clip ends. I'm assuming he lives, right? I'm assuming he lives. Oh my gosh. That is so scary, man. I don't know what add-on is doing that to people, but it is happening where you can just get DC'd. I was getting DC'd the other day. I reinstalled all my add-ons and I have not DC'd since. It might be one of these add-ons. I don't know what's going on. That's why I run minimal add-ons. It's probably a good idea. Something's doing it. You guys think it's details? Details. Okay. Yeah, it might be details doing that. That's so scary, man. That is so scary, bro.